Oh my God.
Uy, sobrang ganda.
Oh my God.
Dito mo ko. Priso ko.
Wow.
View, Cebu means lake. May dandan na ba yun? Lake. Isa na ba yun? Ang lawak nito lake nito, 354 hectares. Malugin to yung right side, ano total? Yung kayang pa ito sa galing yan. That's the Municipal Hall of Lake Cebu, sumunod yung program ng kanyang group, that is the police station office, Cebu Lake Cebu. Ito sa ating left side, that island with 116 hectares, private island, owned individual residence. Nasa gitna ng ating lake pa yan. Yung pong pinakamalaking island, among the two island of Lake Cebu, 8 islands. So sa ating pag-iikot, madadamit 10 islands ang 2 island, but only we will see only 8 islands ang 2 island. So this way of deep, how deep itong lake nito? Ang pinakamalang part itong Lake of Lake Cebu, located in the front of the isla, sa gitna niyan, 60 meters or 180 feet deep approximately. Kung saan po tayo ngayon, itong area nito, kung doon, 180 feet deep, dito po only 140 feet deep. This is a fresh water. At ever since itong lake nito, kahit tagaraw tagulan man, ever since hindi po kami nagka-experience na nagka-high tide. Walang high tide, walang low tide. Stable po yung water level po natin. Kasi itong lake nito, mayroon po sa exit. Sa yung kanyang exit, going to 7 waterfalls of Lake Cebu. Yung tubig doon sa 7 waterfalls, dito po yung galing. So meaning, mas mataas itong lake dito kaysa sa 7 falls.
Okay.
One of tourist attraction of Lake Cebu, 1 to 7 waterfalls. At doon po natin matatagpuan. Is po yung zip line. This is the highest zip line in Southeast Asia. Located at 7 waterfalls of Lake Cebu. Now, if you notice, our climate is very cool. Napakalamig talaga itong klima ng Lake Cebu.
Durian rings. Try na to. Isda. Isda.
Ng kanilang produkto. So sa isang box na capacity po, there is 1,000 or 1,500 pieces fingerlings of tilapia inside. And then yung deep ng fishes natin nasa 10 to 15 feet na pa yan. So now, sorry kung magkain walang kalanaw. Since malalim itong lake nito, kapag meron po ng aksidente or nalulunod, matarin sa aming lake, it's take 3 to 5 days pa bago po mulutang yung kanyang katawan. Unlike sa dagat, salting waters, low density, 1 day, 1 night, lulutang kagad yung dead body. Yan pong difference na between freshwater at saka salting water. Pero din sa aming lake, ayun lang po, medyo mahaba pa yung propagation natin sa ilalim. 3 araw hanggang 5 araw po yun. With free accommodation po. Free accommodation. Baka may gustong tumalon dyan, pag-isipan nyo muna. So meron kaya po nagaganito yung kulay ng lipo natin dahil ito sa reflection ng napakamukal na green na jay, planktons, or low mold. Kaya po nagaganito yung kulay ng lipo natin dahil ito sa reflection ng mga puno o mga dahon sa paligid. So Lake Cebu comprised 19 barangays. According to Census 2020, with the total population of Lake Cebu, we have 81,121. Ayan po, sila po na po kayo ng tilapia. Commercialized fish po yung ginagamit po nila. Sabi ko rin sa isang box ng capacity po there is 1,000 or 1,500 pieces fingerlings of tilapia inside. So aside sa tilapia, dito ko sa labas ng mga fish cage, in terms of fishing or the lake, you are free. Someday somehow sa inyong pababalik, pwede rin kayo magdala ng sarili ninyong fishing rod. Pwede rin tayo mag-fishing sa pilig, hindi naman sa bawal. Ang bawal na talaga doon sa mga fish cage kasi private po yan, hindi pa yun sa atin. Pero dito po, pwede rin tayo mag-fishing sa ating lake. Lake Cebu, this is the original place of our Tuboli tribe. Miss Steph at the back and your tour for the day. We are also covered at Tuboli. But Lake Cebu before was connected to the municipality of Surala. But when November 11, 1982, declared Lake Cebu as one of the municipality under South Cotabato province. In 1982, the first mayor of Lake Cebu is also a permanent Ilonggo from municipality of Surala, Honorable Assemblyman Jose T. Sison. Yung pong pinakauna ng mayor from Lake Cebu in 1982. But now, to all the municipal officials from mayor ilang mga municipal councilor, lapis like permanent Tuboli. Of course, ang aming vice mayor ng Lake Cebu, si also permanent Bicolana, dito rin po siya pinanganak, dito rin po siya tao sa Lake Cebu na rin. Honorable Vice Mayor Lizel Isuga Tupas. Yung paming Vice Mayor this year 2024. So natin sa time, habang kumakain po tayo, ipapakita po namin sa inyo iba't ibang sayaw, po namin mga tumutuli. Ibig to us by Punta Isla.
Sunshine. So good afternoon to everyone. We are here to present the different musical instruments and the dances of our tribe. So the first Tabali musical instrument signifies wedding ceremonies, festivals, and rituals. So that was the sound of Tinongkong. And the first dance we called Madal Tahu or a true dance. A dance imitate from Boy Canaban, the sister of the Bali legendary hero named Tutuloy.
The staff of Punta Isla Lake Resort. They are thankful that choosing Punta Isla as one of your tourists. Pagkakabal check lang po sa inyong mga upuan. Magkamayon yung mga malagang kilometer pa natin. Like cellphone box, solids, and etc. So we pray for safety travel with Bangkok. Maraming salamat in your stay. So nice to everyone. Magandang hapon at gabi.